Hey, it's Ryan with another Back Road Reviews. We're going to take a look at the 5-pack of the plant covers. This is a very affordable option on Amazon. They come in a nice thick plastic bag for shipping. That works real good. And then let's take a look at some of the finer details. It has a black strap with a cinch on it. Pretty heavy duty cinch here. Black sewn in zip line. The fabric in and of itself feels pretty high quality. So you basically take these, open it up, cover your plants, and then gently pull the strap until the base is covered, like you see behind me. These are blueberries that they're on right now, and we are expecting some pretty cold temperatures and we want to protect them. So get yourself a set of these 5-packs here on Amazon. Very affordable option. We love them, and we keep buying more as we expand our homestead.